everyone. How's everybody doing today? Welcome. I am celebrity makeup artist Aarti Nair and welcome to the Grazia page. So as you know, we have amazing news today, but I'm going to reveal it when we have a few more people joining in. So guys, come. There's amazing news. There's amazing little tips and tricks. There's going to be an amazing demonstration. So come on, let's see who. Okay. Please send in all your questions. I'm just going to wait for a few more people to join in. And I hope everyone's safe and at home, having a great day. And I hope if you aren't, then I hope this is going to it's going to make you super happy. So please join us. Okay. So the amazing news today is, first of all, I would like to thank Grazia for having me on their page. As you know, I have some amazing news. One of my favorite brands. It's an iconic brand. It's my favorite brand. It's one of the first brands that I started using when I was trying to curate my kit and stuff like that. Should I tell you? Okay, so it's Anastasia Beverly Hills. It is, oh my god guys, I can't even tell you what an amazing brand it is. And I'm so lucky and so happy that now they are available on bodice.com and on their app. So it's super easy to buy. You just have to go onto the website or the app, whatever it is, and you can buy whatever it is you want. I mean, I cannot even tell you. I've been on the website. Superb. All of us know what an iconic brand Anastasia Beverly Hills is. It's a brand that I have loved for many years. Okay, I'm obsessed with it. You know, and a lot of people think that, you know, they only have they're known for the brows and things like that. When I first started, I wanted to show you something. I started using this pencil here. It's an eyebrow pencil. I mean, it changed my life and it's going to change your life as well. But I also want to tell you that they have so many other amazing products. They have foundations, they have setting sprays. This is, you know, and they have glow kits and well curated glow kits, well curated eyeshadow palettes, just perfect for anyone who wants a wide variety of colors. So I'm going to show you how to use all of these today. And again, I want to say thank you to Grazia for making this happen. And I have one of the, I mean, I cannot even tell you, I'm so happy to be doing this with Shireen Lovebug. All of you know her. So I'm going to quickly get her on and we're going to talk lots more about the brand and lots more about how it changed the way I do makeup and, you know, everything. So I'm just going to quickly get her here. I'm just going to see. I'm waiting for Shireen. As you know, we're so lucky. We started this little back to basics thing when COVID. I was just telling everyone about you.
Hi. I'm good. I'm so excited. Oh my god, Aarti, I'm so excited today that we're doing this.
I know.
It's like a step up from back to basics, and it's I'm really happy to be here, especially on Grazia. I mean, it's amazing to be here on Grazia's platform, and it's amazing to be talking about, you know, the launch of the iconic Anastasia Beverly Hills on bodice.com.
I know, I was telling everybody, I'm so you know, when I first started, I was when I used to travel, I used to make a little list, and Anastasia Beverly Hills was always there on my list, and now everyone has access to it on bodice.com. Guys, I'm so happy for everyone.
Yeah, I think even when I put up the stories yesterday, a lot of people were really excited because it's finally available now to buy in India on bodice.com. So it's fab that the products are available. And Aarti, I'm more excited to learn from you. I'm happy and I'm lucky that I get a one-on-one masterclass from you every time. And this time it's going to be with Anastasia Beverly Hills products. And I want to know about what is this golden brow rule about?
Okay, so a lot of people, I mean, obviously, you know, when you're in love with the brand, especially for makeup artists, you go into the history of it, and, you know, and I think that Anastasia has developed this iconic brand, but not only did she develop an iconic brand, she developed this iconic rule. It's called the golden ratio rule, and it's got to do with your brows. Now, I'm going to simplify it to the simplest level because
Please.
I just feel like that is the way everyone's going to understand it. And we've been talking about brows. Obviously, Shireen is blessed. She doesn't need to fill in her brows, but
No,
I
but
need to fill in
I know
my
about
brows.
the ratio because I feel like my ratios aren't right, so I'm going to check it out right now.
Okay, so basically the ratio is that, okay, now I'm going to take a thin brush like this because this is all I have. Yeah, okay. Now, can you see this point in your nose?
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. So if I place my brush right there, okay, it says that, it basically says that the eyebrow should start here. So it shouldn't
Okay.
go beyond this line. So
Okay.
this is your starting point, okay? Now, when you put the brush on the tip of your nose, this is where, at this angle, okay, wherever this brush lands, this is where your arch should be.
Okay.
Okay. And when I put my brush on the corner of my nostril, this is where my brow should end.
The corner of the nostril. Okay.
Yeah. So what this does is it gives you a perfectly balanced brow. So where your arch is, it perfectly divides your eyebrow from the beginning to the center and from the end to the center. So that is how you have a perfectly formed eyebrow.
So
And
even
that
if
is something that she has patented. She has, I mean, it is, if you read about it, guys, if you take 5 minutes out of your day, just read it. It's so interesting that she came up with this, and it really helps all of us.
it does. So even basically, even if these proportions aren't like perfect right now, what you can do is like use her brow products to like sort of extend or whatever.
Yeah,
Anyway.
it's a helpful tool to kind of tell you how you get a more balanced look. Because I feel like a lot of people, they don't know how to get a balanced look, right? And they're like, oh, my eyebrows are off this. So this is a very easy thing to do. Like just sitting at home, you can figure it out.
Yeah. So I read a little bit about her, about Anastasia Soare, and she's amazing. And the fact that she's invented, she's come up with these amazing products, and she's found this like golden brow ratio. Like she spoke a lot about symmetry and like bringing about symmetry in the face. So it has a lot to do with that, I'm guessing. But
yeah. So while you're talking, obviously it's going to be the same like back to basics. So I'm going to go into my eyebrows. So I am using, this is iconic, guys, this Anastasia brow pencil. It's called a brow definer. I'm using dark brown today. There are many colors. There's chocolate, there are a lot of colors, all according to your shade and according to your brows. So you can choose something that is perfectly suited for your hair color and not have to go like lighter or darker. And because it's angular like this, it's very easy to fill in. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to fill in. So I'm moving in the direction of the hair. So however the hair grows, that's how I'm going to do it.
Okay. So
I also need a mirror. So I'm going to use my palette mirror.
I have this dip brow by Anastasia Beverly Hills, which I'm sure is also available.
Yeah, you can use, so they have, so I'm going to show you one with, I mean, the other day I used it as well. It's a dip brow gel like that. Again, very easy to use. It lasted me the whole day. Like, I'm so like, there's nothing beyond this.
And yours is a lighter color. So if I look, yours is slightly lighter because your brows are lighter than mine. And mine, it's not a jet black, but it's like a dark, it's a dark
brown. Yeah, it's like a dark brown. And you can mix textures as well. Like I can mix these two to get a softer, more three-dimensional eyebrow. You can use a gel and a powder and get a kind of soft, you can mix it up. There's no rule. She developed all of these products just to get a more defined brown. You can do it with whatever, suits your hand. So like a lot of people only like powder. Like they're like, I won't never use a brush.
So this one is, it's in bit like the dip brow ka texture is in between a powder and a pencil. So it works for me also. Like I usually use powder, but this one also works for me. Yeah. Because see, it's really soft. Like the color is not harsh.
And what I like is, guys, this is at an angle. So like it literally took me 3 minutes, not even 3 seconds to do my brows. It's so good. So and I'm obviously used to knowing where my arch is, but you can totally make a mark. Like you can make one line here, one line here, one line at the end. So it gives you a stencil, so to speak.
Yeah. Someone's asking, some eyebrow products show brownish tint and some are very black. So how does one? I think Aarti, you just spoke about
So
that.
yeah, so basically, if you can see, I have my hair is not jet black, so my hair is a bit like dark brown. So I will choose an eyebrow like maybe a powder or a gel that basically matches my hair color. So because if I had chosen like a black, like Shireen's is much darker than my brows and fuller than mine. If I had used the same color as her, what would happen is my eyebrows would take over my entire face and it would be so strong. So what Anastasia Beverly Hills and the brand in itself does, it gives you this wide variety of different colors. So you have a dark brown, like I said, you have a chocolate. So you have so many colors. Each one is a tone lighter than the other. So what it does is you can easily match your eyebrow or your hair color, sorry, not your eyebrow. And like I showed you, like this little this little powder palette, it comes with two colors, right? So if I want to mix it, if I want the beginning of my eyebrow to be lighter, I can do that. If I want the end to be darker, I can do that. So I'm going to show it to you. So first I filled in with a little bit of the pencil. Now I'm going to go in with the powder. So I'm going to take, because this is too light for me in itself, but I'm going to mix it a little bit. I'm going to dip it like that, dust off the excess, and I just want a little bit more softness in the beginning. So again, I'm just going to very lightly add a little bit of softness to my brow, because I felt that the pencil would be too strong. But look at that. You know,
Perfect.
you cannot tell the difference. And then you just use the brush at the back of this pencil, and there you have it. You have a perfectly shaped brow. It lifts your face up, and it kind of like you don't need anything else. And that is what she has tried to teach us through.
Your brow, this, like I can see this. It looks so good. You've done it
I mean, look at it, guys. This is okay. This is the truth. This is a filled-in brow. This is not. So
yeah.
I mean, it works wonders. It works wonders.
Okay,
So I'm going to do.
Where are these products available, guys? All of the products that we're talking about today, all of these Anastasia Beverly Hills products are available on bodice.com. You can check out their website. They also have an app that you can download and get all of these products. They have some amazing offers as well right now. So we suggest you go check it out.
Yeah, go now, guys. Come on. All of this, I mean, this is, so now I'm going to use now I'm using the gel on this side, guys.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm just going to quickly go in here. Again, I'm using so as you can see, the gel is way more pigmented. So,
yeah,
you know, you have to be very careful when you're filling in your brows. So when I'm using the gel, if you like, you can see I'm using shorter strokes. I'm using shorter strokes, and I'm first getting my frame, like I'm getting where I want to fill what I want to do. And then I'm going to go in and like actually color the brow. And with this, you have to remember, always keep a earbud, because I like to like keep a earbud with me just to clean off the excess and kind of get a sharp finish to it.
So you're actually creating a pencil and then filling that in.
Yeah, so I've created it with the gel. Then I'm going in with the pencil because I want a very soft filling, because the gel, because it's so pigmented, what it can do is it can make the eyebrows very dark.
Okay,
so I've mixed it with a little bit of a, and then I'm going to go in with the powder.
So Aarti, while you're doing that, after you finish that, someone's asking, can you please keep mentioning the name and shades of the products? Okay, so guys, of course, Aarti's defining her brows much more than me, because mine are already like very, very stark. But the brow dip, so this is called the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Dip, and mine is in the color, it's called the Dip Brow, my bad, the Dip Brow, okay? And mine is Ebony. My color is Ebony. Aarti's was much lighter, but once she's done, she'll tell you the shade name.
Yeah. Guys.
Perfect.
Have I not changed your brow life today? Just tell us right now in the comments below. Has this information and the fact that this is available at your fingertips on an app and a website. If it's not changed your life, guys, I don't know what to do.
It's life changing, dude. You've done it so well, man.
Okay, so my pencil is dark brown. Okay, it's in the shade dark brown. And my dip brow is also in dark brown. And my powder is in dark brown. So all of it is in dark brown. Now see, I'm just going to quickly clean it and voila.
Amazing.
And so guys, you can, and I'm not saying, please don't, if you're not used to using the gel, don't, you know, don't mix it. Start using it little by little and you will definitely get used to it. But can you imagine, like, we have so many like varieties of eyebrow choices. Like you can use anything and now they're all available for you. Okay,
Next.
Shireen, what should we do next?
Should we do eyes?
Do we have the same palette?
We have the same palette, but yours is much more like cleaner than mine because I've been using the hell out of mine. So mine is used, but inside it's lovely and like clean and everything. So I'm using
so this palette, guys, is called the Modern Renaissance Eyeshadow Palette. And it has a beautiful like velvet feel to it. And look at these colors. I mean, this is perfect for like a perfect nude, any kind of eye actually. It has all the different textures. It has gloss, it has a shine, it has, you know, the matte colors for your cut and crease. It has a lot and it comes with a little cute little brush also. I love it.
Be using that brush only, the brush from inside. But yeah, this is just, it's one of those palettes that has everything you need. So it has your nudes, it has deeper colors. So it's
and whenever I have to suggest to people, they're like, you know, which palette should I buy? I'm just like, you know, these palettes that I've curated for us, and I feel like a lot of people don't know because she's also known for like brows. Like for me, initially, I would buy every single brow product that she had, and then slowly went into like foundations. I'm using I forgot to say that I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Foundation, Luminous Foundation in 320N. The number is 320N. But look at the foundation, Shireen. It's like,
it's sheer, right? Like it's looking
like super sheer, and you know, it's like the perfect color for me. Like I'm so happy. I was looking for one also. But okay, guys, we're gonna go in now to eye makeup.
What to start?
So today we're gonna do like a very art signature, you know, super like shiny, little bit of like a dimension at the bottom, just an eye that you can like use it like home.
Yeah.
If you're doing makeup.
Or like just for Ganpati and stuff also right now. Like people are like getting out in small gatherings. So nothing like super glam, but like pretty.
Yeah, but because these are so highly pigmented and amazing, you can use it. So I'm gonna use I'm gonna use the Primavera. This one.
Ooh, this gold.
Yeah.
Amazing. Okay, cool.
I'm going to use it on a fluffy brush. Just because, 1 second. I pulled a Shireen today when my brush fell down.
But my phone falls only. my straight up, there'll be like some phone falling scene. Okay, so this.
Dust off the excess, Shireen.
And just all over.
Just look at this. Just look at this gold. Like, I mean, guys, come on.
Ooh.
I'm so happy. I can't tell you today with this. Like, Grazia, thank you so much for getting us here where we know we.
Dude, this is so nice. And please stop me if I keep blending because you know my habit.
So guys, just look at this pigment. This pigment is unbelievable. Like literally, I dab this twice on the palette to take the color. I dab off the excess, and this is the finish that I get. And this brush that you get with it again is super soft and very, very easy to blend. And my favorite, one side has a fluffy brush, one side has a flat brush. This is how you know that like this brand is super iconic. Like they make everything so simple for you.
Yeah, I'm literally using this brush only because it has both. It has the fluffy bit and it has.
And I'm doing a little bit of extra gold in the inner corner because I like that little, like, you know, it kind of opens up my eye
Yeah.
instantly.
Even I do that. I always put like a gold or like just any shimmery highlighting color.
Yeah. Dust off the excess. Okay. If you can't see, guys, tell us in the comments. Huh? I'm trying to be very. Okay.
So we've sort of created a base, like a gold base for any other color also to go on.
Yeah, and you can do anything else. So this is dabbing it once, and like, look at the little bit of a highlight your eyelid gets. I think it's amazing. I'm just going to go in with a little bit more to match the other side, and I'm going to dab this in here. Is the brush Anastasia also? Of course it is.
It is. So we're both using the Modern Renaissance eyeshadow palette with the same brush, and this is available on bodice.com. Guys, if you want to get your hands on the same palette, it's available right now in India, which is awesome.
And it comes with the brush, guys, so don't worry.
Everyone just like brows, wow, brows, wow. I know Aarti's brows are looking amazing right now.
Guys, I'm telling you, and both these brows have been done by different products. I've mixed the gel, I've mixed the gel, I've mixed the powder, I've mixed the pencil. So, and it stays like this, guys. I will take a picture at the end of the day and I will show you. It stays like this. It's available on bodice.com. They also have an app, so please download the app. Go on the website. It's there on Shireen's page. It's there on my page. We did a swipe up as well. So everything is available there for you guys. Okay, now I'm going to take that same brush and we're going to go in and give my eye a little bit of dimension at the bottom. And I want to use burnt orange and red ochre.
Burnt orange and
So I'm using a light brown with a slightly darkish red.
Okay.
But very little.
And I'm going to use the other
raw sienna. Actually, you can use raw sienna also.
Okay.
Dust off the excess and just give the eye a little bit of a dimension at the bottom. If all of you have watched Shireen and me do makeup together, you know how much we love this little, like, brown.
This is a life-changing one. Like I was always so scared to use my brush like under my eyes, like under the waterline, but it adds a lot.
Yeah, it does. And you can use a little bit of dark brown because they have a dark brown also. You can use a little bit of dark brown just at the end if you want to give your eye a little bit of a deeper. Just that much.
I love this.
See, guys, we're all using just one palette. And I'm going to go one step further. I think I'm pulling a Shireen today. But I'm going to go and give myself a little bit of a crease.
You know, I want to do that.
Yeah, I'm using a light brown just to give a little bit of a balanced effect on the outer corner.
So like the burnt orange?
I'm using raw sienna.
Okay, cool.
Just to give my eye a little bit of a dimension. And we've done all of this with one palette, guys. I just like to tell you this.
Ooh, I used the darker one and it might have become a little dark, but it's fine, na?
So you can clean your brush. Yeah, you can use your finger and just like blend it out a little bit. Now, I wanted to share with you guys something else. Now, Shireen is going to use the palette and she's got that little bit of a dark dimension with the brown. I'm gonna get my dimension with this amazing gel liner. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills waterproof cream color in the color Jet. Now, this is a black. I'm gonna take a flat brush. Actually, I'm gonna take this brush from my eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna clean it a little bit. And I'm gonna take a little bit on my hand just to swatch and show you how dark it is.
Oh, damn. That's pigmented.
Yeah, it is, right? Okay, so I'm gonna take a little bit on this side of the brush, dab it, okay, and I'm gonna just put it near my lashes, like look at that.
Yeah.
And I'm going to, what I like to do a little bit is just dab it with my finger.
So you get that like smudged effect.
Exactly. And I'm going to blend it a little bit.
So Aarti, you're doing that with the liner. If I want to do that, I can do that with one of these colors from the palette also. Now just create like
You can use the dark brown that you use.
Yeah.
Now just look how beautifully that has blended.
That looks so good.
And the thing is with the gel liner, like, you have to understand that you can do a perfect liner, you can work with it really quickly and just smudge it, because this gel liner in particular is super creamy and it's super pigmented, guys. It's super pigmented. So you have to work really quickly, which is why I move between my brush and my finger. So I'm going to take a little bit more and do the other side. And you can actually leave it, you can leave it like this.
But I think the smudge thing looks really nice, especially like for the day. It just softens the entire look.
Yeah. So I'm going to just quickly go in there and blend it. Also, let's see, are there any questions coming in?
People are just saying really nice things. Makeup queen. And some are the best. You guys are the best. This looks so amazing. Where can I shop this product? Okay, so people who are signing in right now, you can get all of these products that we're talking about on borders.com, either on their website, or you can download their app and get your hands on Anastasia Beverly Hills products. They are launched on borders.com.
Yeah, just download it right now, guys, while we're talking. Just do it. There we go. Can you see how amazing that is?
That looks really nice.
And guys, let me tell you, if you are someone that doesn't like to put a kajal pencil in your eye or any such thing, take your eyebrow brush, take a little bit of this gel liner, okay, and you can put it on your waterline.
Ooh, perf. It's a great idea. Aarti, these hacks, these little like tips and hacks that you give now, I swear, life-changing.
There you go. And because it's gel, it's completely safe to put in the eyes. Okay, you get that little like extra intensity, and you can do a modern eye with like an Indian touch, because putting kajal on the waterline is a very Indian thing to do, I feel.
Yeah.
And what I like to do is I like to go in with like that same brush. Obviously, you clean it a little bit. And because you know me and fine lines on makeup, like I don't like any I like everything to be blended and look complete. So, and you can do this with your finger also, guys. Like the finger you use to blend the kajal on top, just like little bit.
So I'm going to be honest right now. I'm just going to like, I have a little like silly confession. I do not have that gel liner that you're using. So what I used under my line, I actually used the brow dip, the dip brow.
Yeah, you can.
I use the dip brownie because it's a dark color, it's a pigmented color. So I don't have liner with me. So I just use this just to get a little, that black waterline finish. So you can do that.
Yeah, and it's like super easy to use, and you know, you can just like, you can do an entire. We've done an entire face of like our entire makeup with one palette.
Yeah.
So, you know, guys, it's
Okay, I'm just going to use any mascara right now and just like finish this look off because if I don't see mascara on my eyes, I get like, I have like this, I have an issue.
anxiety.
Yeah, I get really
So
uncomfortable.
while Shireen is doing mascara, I'm going to talk about, again, just reiterate what we have been saying, that this is, okay, first of all, guys, this is all available for you on bodice.com and on their app, and you can get all the makeup that we've used today. So we thought that we'll demonstrate and show you how you can use all of these products. Eyebrows, eye makeup, foundation, we have the spray, which I love. Again, I use this on sometimes when I'm going out at night and I want a little bit of sheen on my neck. I spray a little bit, it gives this like perfect sheen. I'm going to spray a little bit actually,
Which I want to use at the end, the spray.
okay. So I'll wait for you. Do we have any
Okay,
questions?
mascara done. I just feel like amazing. Now I'm feeling happy.
Yeah, so guys, you can totally get your hands on all of this makeup. I mean, I've loved this brand from, like, Shireen knows. She's known me for a long time. She's gone shopping with me for makeup as well, so she knows.
It is the best. It's the best. It's the most fun to go shopping with Aarti Nair, makeup shopping with Aarti Nair, because she's just gonna put things in your like cart, like, you know, literally in your shopping cart, or you need.
Yeah, and then Shireen's husband will be like, why do you spend so much money?
What to do now?
Okay,
Makeup
next.
is the weakness.
Okay,
Next.
my favorite thing that I use for body, I mean, I use for shoots as well. I use for myself, but I also use for shoots is this glow kit. This glow kit. So this is not the only one. There are different kinds of glow kits, different colors, each one curated for whatever you're looking for. So this has like a bronzer. It has a rose gold. It has a gold. It has a slightly brownish gold and like a lighter copper gold.
Love that.
So today I'm gonna use a little bit of the bronze because I feel like I'm gonna use a little bit of the bronze and the gold because I want a little bit of a sheen like that. So I'm just gonna dab and let's see where this takes us. And I'm just gonna use it as like a light bronzer just on my cheeks, but more highlighter, not so much contour, but also contour. You know, it's like a multi-purpose. Just
Ooh,
look at that.
Oh my god, it's popping.
Look at that. Yeah, look at that sheen. And what you can do is just blend it out a little bit because it has a lot of product in it.
Yeah.
So it gives you like this sun-kissed bronzing kind of finish.
So what was that palette? Which palette are you using again? Just tell me the name.
Oh yeah. So it's the Glow Kit and it is sun dipped.
Sun Dip Glow Kit. Okay.
Yeah.
So
I'm using the color bronze.
I'm using this Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's just this highlighting. It's an illuminating powder. It has a like a full on. It's a light.
I love that. I love that. So I'm going in a little bit on my forehead just to balance it all out. You know me, how I like to blend.
Yeah, which is a great thing.
Yeah, and what you can do is what Shireen is doing now, which I'm also going to do because I don't want to stand back when it comes to highlighter. I'm going to take the summer color, which is a very light gold, and I'm just going to go in and give myself a bit of a highlight.
So guys, I'm literally just using this on my high points of my face, and look at this pop.
I'm using it on my lip as well, guys, on your Cupid's brow, because it just accentuates the lip.
So I want to ask you, as a celebrity makeup artist, can you just like name exactly where all on the face we can highlight? Because there are like, it's not just the cheekbones, it's not just the nose, like where all can we use a highlighter?
So, highlight number one is here. Okay. So I take very little powder and I highlight, and my last swipe, I like go under the eyes a little bit like that. Okay. Just so that everything is even. And sometimes if I don't do that, I also run my brush down the face like that just to get an even glow. You know? Then, right here in the center of your nose. Now, some people come all the way down. I don't, because I don't like my tip of my nose to shine. So I just do it here and I take it up into my forehead. Now, because I have an oily T-zone, I don't do too much. But what I love to do is my Cupid's bow here. Just here, I'd like a little bit of, a lot of us like a little bit of accentuation on the lip.
Yeah.
So you can take a smaller brush like Shireen has, or use your finger. And then I like to go in at the bottom here, just a little bit on the chin. But that is totally up to you. That also depends on whether or not, like what kind of skin you have. If you have super oily skin, I would say, you know, use a powder, but use it sparingly. Don't go, you know, completely crazy when it comes to doing highlighter. If you have dry skin, you can maybe use a cream highlighter. Which also, or you can use this. Now, let's get ready. Let's try it. Okay. Now, once you've done your makeup, I take all my hair back because I don't want to get it on my hair. Okay. And from a width distance, like your hand distance. Okay. Like not here, like a little bit further away. Okay. You just have to press it and like let it dry. So just do like an overall,
yeah,
and just let it dry. You can also keep a tissue in your hand and just like do that. And it dries really quickly, guys.
yeah.
So, and there, see, you have this like super dewy, like, you know, your entire skin just has like this, like, this is my favorite makeup. Like this, like Shireen, relax.
Sorry. I'm just like staring at myself trying to see all the dewiness.
Guys, somebody asked which lipstick are both of you have applied. We're coming to that, guys. We're coming. We're giving you all the information. We're telling you exactly where to get it and how to do this makeup. Everything is here for you. So now, lips. So now once your skin is done, looking like super glowy and amazing, I'm gonna use. So I'll just put like a lip balm, very like a light lip balm on my lip in the beginning when I did like a prep, like just to hydrate.
Okay.
And I'm gonna use, I don't know what you're using. What are you? I'm using caramel lip gloss, which is this beautiful like pink. I'm gonna swatch it actually for you.
So mine is really similar. Mine is called Dolce Liquid Lipstick, which is also like a beautiful nude pink. You know, I'm gonna swatch mine.
Yeah, this will look good on my. This will look good on this look. So obviously we're going to keep the lips a bit neutral, because now what you can do is some, like a lot of us like to like swipe it all through, but I just want like a little bit of a touch. So what I'm going to do is take a little bit of the gloss and I'm just going to dab it on the center of my lip.
So we're not like doing a full on color. We just use it as a stain.
And then I'm just like dabbing it. I'm very into this dabbing of my lip right now.
Oh my god, this texture is so good. Is yours also like matte?
Mine
like,
is, no, mine is slightly creamy, but mine tastes amazing.
Yeah, so does this. So mine's really matte. It's like creamy matte, but it sets really quickly, so you have to dab like fast because it dries off.
Yeah, and if anything comes out, guys, a earbud or a Q-tip is your best friend.
Oh my god, this color is so good. Guys, we'll tell you the names again. So Aarti is using, wait, I'll tell you mine. Mine is Anastasia Beverly Hills Dolce Liquid Lipstick. It's this beautiful nude pink. It is available on bodice.com. You can see it on their site or on the app. And Aarti will tell you the one that she's using, the shade number.
I'm using caramel.
Caramel.
So I want a little bit more.
You bring more highlighter?
Yeah. I mean, I think I went overboard, but now that's too late.
No, it looks good. It looks really good.
Yeah. I like to put some on my lip also. And I'm using the same palette, guys.
Use the eyeshadow palette or the glow palette?
I use the glow palette.
Okay.
Because I want a little bit of that shine on my lip.
Yeah.
And if you think it's too much, guys, always like go in with your tissue and balance it out.
Love it.
So this, guys, was our little makeup tutorial. We wanted to share with you and let you know how you can use all these amazing products that are available to you. Super easy, like, you know, it's just curated for every makeup lover. It comes with from the eyeshadow palette to the eyebrows, which we showed you the magic of, the foundation, the dew spray, everything is amazing and all available for you.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Grazia, for having us come on board and talk about Anastasia Beverly Hills launching on bodice.com. Guys, check out their website. Also, you guys were asking about like where the products are available. It's available on bodice.com, and there are some really exciting offers if you go on right now and check it out. So do download the app or check out the website and see all the offers. Show the products again, guys. We'll probably be saving this.
We are saving this, guys. It's going to be on the Grazia page. It's going to be on Shireen's. It's going to be on mine. It's going to be on the Bodice website. We're all following them. We're going to put swipe up. So all of their names, all of what we use today for this exact look is going to be up in a really short time. So you can always go back to it. Always go back and see how we did and how we created this amazing look. How Shireen created hers, how I created mine. So yeah, so everything is going to be there for you guys to go back and look at.
Amazing. Thank you so much. Both are so
Thank you, Grazia, for having us. We really enjoyed this little session. Thank you.
Thank you,
guys. Thanks, everyone. Anastasia Beverly Hills is now here, guys, on the bodice.com website, on the app. Thank you so much, everyone, for having us. Yeah.
Aarti, thank you. Thank you for giving
me. Shireen. Thank you for doing this.
No, bro, like I feel so lucky that I get one on like personal master classes from you. I feel so lucky. Like I'm just learning every week. I'm learning something new. So that's amazing. But okay, cool. Bye, guys. Have an amazing Sunday. See you soon.
Bye.